Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So as we discussed in our weekly report, so from the technical point of view, market has reached significant support area. So this is completion of the ABCD pattern on the top. It's the XOP, so we talked about this many days last week and actually even week before probably. Confidence support, and market here also has hit the daily oversold. Also, we're considering the extension of this most recent upward swing, and currently you could imagine the shape of the butterfly that we previously talked about. Just to take it out, it's just because, well, on the top it can't be the form of the butterfly. So, and the major conclusion that we had made is just even from the technical point of view, the pullback is unavoidable, just because the overall strength of level so significant that, well, at least the minor respect, minor bounce, it should follow. This week, mostly everybody is waiting for retail sales numbers. That's very important, and it's using for prediction of the gross domestic product. So really could show the domestic consumption and bring more information on situation in the economy, or the slowdown, or what's really going on. But take a look on the shape and the speed of this upward pullback. It's very slow. So despite that level is rather strong, we see very slow and very heavy upward action. It means that maybe market will not reach the level that we have specified. Besides, let's take a look. Initially, so last week, I mentioned in some update that it might be some kind of the rounding top is forming something, because here's, at least until this moment, was more or less harmonical roll down here on the top. But take a look how in the last week everything has accelerated. It's really very fast. So market right now stands under pressure of the burden of the debt sale, and actually that the timing becoming shorter, but nothing is going on, no solution is found. So from that standpoint, we do not see any change significant in the fundamental background. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we initially talked about the pullback to one of the two areas, it's 109.10, and our preferable area is 109.40, 109.45 by the many reasons. So this is confidence, this is previous lows, which is actually will become additional resistance. And if market would form kind of the ABCD pattern completing around this area, giving us some kind of the guided steeple to sell, that might be really good. But currently, with this performance that we see in place, it's very difficult to count on so significant extension, so significant pullback. That's why in the current moment, we probably will have to turn our attention back to the 109.10. Besides, if we take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that with this minor ABCD pattern that had been formed, OP has been reached very accurately. Market shows the pullback, and take a look, it has not restarted downside action. So it means that retracement should last a bit longer. So minor pullback after OP, standing flat, suggesting that market still could continue upward action to the XOP. XOP stands 109.11, which perfectly agrees with this level. And that's why currently, and today, tomorrow, we probably will be watching for 109, let's call it 109.10 area, and see what will happen around it. So I'm thinking that that might be the point where we could consider taking the short position, especially if we will not see any changes in actual character of this action. So it will remain the same, very slow, gradual, choppy, overlapping candles. So if it will keep going in this manner, that's definitely the level to keep an eye on. With the speaking downside target, so the nearest one will be once again daily oversold, which now agrees with the 1618 extension of the same swing. It's around 107.95, so one rate. It's approximately will be right there, so it will be next destination point, and then we will see what will happen.